part of the full stack program. Graduating with Honors Project is a Node.js app where you can post and look up recipes on a cooking blog. I use MongoDB to store the data and use a little bit of Bootstrap. The npm packages excuse me, that I use are Connect Flash, Cookie Parser, EJS Express, EJA Layouts, Mongoose, MongoDB. Quick look at my website here. Recipe where you can go and get recipes of cooking blog. Get to explore the latest. They're categorized. I got Thai, American, Chinese, Mexican. You can view all. Click view all. You got Thai. Let's take a look at the Thai recipes here. Thai green chick curry. There we go. And then you got the cooking instructions, your ingredients, the website. Kudos to there you go. And got a little breadcrumb here, a little bootstrap. You can show a random. Refresh this if you like. And get different recipes. Right here, got the recipe here, ingredients. Okay. You can go back home. You can search. Let's see here, Chinese. Okay. Let's see here, salad. There you go. Go back to the home. This is also home. To categorize latest recipes, Thai, American, Chinese. This is also responsive. Let's go here. Submit recipe here, real quick. Let's see here. Cheese. We'll just put it water. Choose a category. It's Mexican here. You can add a picture. You can upload a picture. Okay, what do we do here? Description. Maybe I'll put description. I think it's because I'm not adding a picture here. Let's see here. Logo. Open. Yep, that's because I didn't add a picture. And here it is. Go to MongoDB. It's not here, but if I refresh, little things are took me a while, which is the EJS. Doing the upload file. This one's taking a while too. Let's go back to here. The EJS was difficult. I wasn't did a lot of research on that. Database, the scripts. It's CSS. Recipe EJS. Let's see if it loaded yet. Yeah, let's see here. Yep, it's here in the array of FDS Mexican image. Should be logo update. Let's see here. Let's update this. And our logo. And you can upload. You can delete. Let's see if I can find. We're running out of time here. Adding recipe, delete new recipe. Let's see that. Let's see. And it is called .dfa. Let's see, I'm sure I'll be able to run that, and it should delete. It's deleted, and it should be deleted from the Mongo. And it is deleted. So let me put that back. But yeah, didn't have much issues. The issues was the EJS, MongoDB was a little bit of trouble getting it started, but other than that, uh, doing the Bootstrap, the Node, Express, npm installs, a little bit difficult, but I got it. So yeah, thank you. This is Mario Perez again, full stack. Thanks.